Hola amigos, I'm back with a new lesson. Today I'm going to teach you some animals in Spanish. But before that, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Let's get started. So, let me teach you first some domestic animals. El caballo, horse. El gato, cat. La oveja, sheep. La vaca, cow. La gallina, hen or chicken. El gallo, rooster. El cerdo, pig. El pato, duck. El pájaro, bird. El conejo, rabbit. El pez, fish. El camello, camel. El burro, donkey. So, let me teach you some wild animals. Los animales salvajes. El león, lion. El tigre, tiger. El leopardo, leopard. El lobo, wolf. El oso, bear. El águila, eagle. El elefante, elephant. El zorro, fox. La serpiente, snake. El cocodrilo, crocodile. Now, let's make some examples. I want to say, I like horses. Me gustan los caballos. Me gustan los caballos. I want to say, I hate snakes. I hate snakes. Yo odio las serpientes. Yo odio las serpientes. I want to say, the bear is a wild animal. El oso es un animal salvaje. El oso es un animal salvaje. I want to say, dogs are domestic animals. Los perros son animales domésticos. Los perros son animales domésticos. I want to say fish is a pet. Fish is a pet. El pez es una mascota. El pez es una mascota. Let's have a quiz. You tell me the name of these animals. El león, el tigre, el cocodrilo. Very nice. El león. La gallina. La oveja. El cerdo. Yes, el cerdo. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Have a nice summer. Adios.